Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here. Got a nice little shave for you today. Got a little disclaimer today, maybe a little lewd, maybe some cussing. I don't know. But today probably isn't the most family-friendly video, getting that out there up front. So today, we are using HC&C Hidden Goddess. Green Goddess, that's a salad dressing. We're not using salad dressing. We are using Hidden Goddess. Really nice scent. A little florally, kind of sweet. Maybe not so much florally, maybe some fruity. I don't know. Really nice scent, well blended. Not feminine, but definitely unisex. Like, women have no problem wearing, using. This was sent to me from Kim Gray, along with the HC&C bowl we're using again today. So guys, do not judge this lather. Well, you can judge it all you want, but I'm going to tell you, I was doing the lazy lather today. It got super airy, and it just kept drying out no matter how much I put in it. So I had to beat it into submission to get the air out. I'm telling you, when it comes to lather, guys, I don't think air is your friend. No matter what kind of shave you have going on, I don't think air is your friend. I think air leads to drying out. I mean, there's got to be science behind that. It makes sense to me. But anyways, get down to it. So guys, we had a day at work today. Pretty decent day. If anybody really knows me, decent's, let's pretty much put it this way. I don't have too much to bitch about today at work. And for me to say that, if you know me, that's saying something. I don't want to say it's a good day, because I'll wake up tomorrow and it'll be another day, and I don't want to get my hopes up for tomorrow. You know? And of course, we are using the B open comb with Christopher Bradley. Felt that bump get hit again. All right. But all in all, not a bad day. Have time, come home, do a shave video. We'll get this done today, and we'll decided to get the shave video done, respond to some comments, you know, stuff like that. But it was a glorious day for, like, weather-wise. We were in the 60s, mid to low 60s all day, sun shining, a little bit of breeze, not too much. Really nice though. Sun's out a little bit longer, you know. That's always a good thing as a delivery driver. And just kind of keeps you a little bit more upbeat all day. You can see where you're going. It wasn't raining. Should be a good week weather-wise. I know we're talking about the weather here, but man, it's important. Get to me next week when it rains every day. Then we'll be talking. Let's make sure we get this. Oh yeah. Scent's great, guys. I'd say medium on scent strength, but you hardly ever hear me say high on scent strength. There's only a few that are just banging right off the puck. I say a few. There's more than a few, but you know what I mean. And every brand isn't even banging every single time. It just depends. I did it again, guys. There we go. Feels good. There we go. It's just weird how facial hair grows, and it's not always one direction. Not the band, which I don't even know any One Direction songs. I only know who they are if you watched me before because of Record Store Day. I look at the list. Seems like One Direction had an album every year on Record Store Day. Looks like I did nick myself in a few places, guys. Guess they can't all be perfect. I think I did push a shave the other day. There seemed to be some irritation. But all in all, great shave. You know, I've got a few cuts. We all can't be perfect. And we will be right back. All right, everybody, and we are back. Had a good rinse. Let's hit the splash. We are using PAA Son of Honeysuckle. Doesn't really match the fragrance that we have going on here, but the big deal for me, oh yeah, ton of splash. I love it that way. Is I just wanted to wear the splash. I wanted to give Hidden Goddess a go. Kim did comment that this was her favorite of HC&C, I believe. So I wanted to give it a try, and it's great. It really is a nice scent, but I just followed it up with the Son of Honeysuckle because everybody knows I love that scent, and I do believe Kim is quite a fan of this scent. I sent her a bundle, you know, splash and soap. All right. So I need to rinse this again. You can kind of tell by the way it's sitting that there's still soap down in there. How easily yeah, there's some soap in there. At least that's what I tend to believe it is. If I rinse a little bit better, it'll get better. I do dry my tips off on the towel, mainly just to get it to fan right. But this does lead me to believe I need to get soap out of it. So we won't keep going on about it, other than this has no backbone. Do not face lather with this. This is a Motherload knot. It is so soft. It's like a silk bag full of puppy ears. Like it's so soft, man. It is wonderful. The brush is turned by Shore Shave. I think he also goes by like Turn by Timber Bill, or Bill Turned by Timber, or something like that on Instagram. And there's the coin. Not the sexiest coin, but I do like it. It was inexpensive. If his store is still up and going, I think he also makes duck calls and stuff. I'll link it below. You know I'm going to link this if it's available, which I don't think it is, but if it is, it will be linked below. It will be an affiliate. We will link the Hidden Goddess, which was really a nice soap. I'm enjoying it. And the Karve Chrisopher Bradley in brass, 3.5-inch handle. This was my third use Nacet, so we'll go ahead and take it out. B-plate open comb, and this one does have the notches on the top cap, the OG. I prefer the notches on the top cap personally. If you don't, cool, good for you. It's your money, spend it how you want, do it how you want. I got the one I like. So we will clean that up a little, put in my blade bank. My blade bank is almost full, peeps. My Rockwell one, it's kind of gross too. It sits behind the sink, like behind the faucet. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you hanging around, and hopefully we'll make some more videos this week, and I'll catch you later.